All SMEs want to be able to deliver first-class customer service and stick to the promises that they have made. The reality, many SME manufacturers struggle day in, day out to meet this simple expectation from their customers. But why is this? The complexity within their business has become too hard to manage with the tools available. This results in production and delivery delays, costly waste of materials and resources, product quality issues, and financial stress, ultimately undermining the potential of the company as a whole. That's why we developed an SME manufacturing ERP platform architected to make the complex simple by doing three things. The first is to remove delays. It's designed as one to remove all the integration issues that could cause bottlenecks, with all of the key information linked together on the system. The second is to remove financial stress. Most of the basic accounting processes are done in the background, thanks to the fact that the system is fully integrated. This takes some of the stress away from financial staff, avoiding painful reconciliation and ensuring decisions can be backed up with meaningful data from a unified, interactive general ledger. The third area is by removing firefighting. The system is tuned to streamline all of your essential processes to grow your business and reliability, but not your staff, cost, or stock. We do this by automating the generation of works orders and purchase orders with our material requirements planning screen, saving vast swathes of time on data input and removing human error. Customer queries can also be answered immediately, with the system offering one version of the truth as to the status of an order. Business Cloud Essentials is an ERP solution designed with and for UK SME manufacturers, covering all the essentials you need: CRM, finance, sales, stock, purchasing, production, and payroll. We hope you get live, run your solution 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, and are always available to help for a single monthly price. We enable UK SME manufacturers to realise their ambitions by eliminating delays, financial stress, and firefighting with Business Cloud Essentials.